I'm going to show you how to replace the headlight bulbs on this Ram 1500. If you need parts for your vehicle, make sure you get those at 1aauto.com. Let's get started. We're going to take this cover off, just use a trim tool, get under the push pins, and just pop those out. And it slides right off. Take this screw out, use a 10mm ratchet wrench. Take that out. Now down below, I'm going to use an extension and a 10mm socket. We're going to take this bolt, loosen this up, take that out. Using a magnet, slide that bolt out. In the inner fender well, there's a access door. We want to pop the push pin out. Just use a trim tool. Get underneath there. Pop that out and slide the door open. Now inside here, you're going to see a tab. You want to take that and you want to push that up. That's going to separate the back side of the headlight. Now grab the light assembly. You can just pull it out, or you can always push it from the back side. There's a little ball and socket right here that's just pushed in, so you may have to use a little bit of force there. I'll disconnect the connectors. There's some push pins holding the wires on. Just want to pop those out. You can use the trim tool if you need to. Push down. Slide that off. It's a little lock right here. You can use a straight blade screwdriver or a trim tool. Slide the lock up, push down on the tab, and disconnect it. Remove this cover, just twist to the left. That slides out. Disconnect the connector, just push on the tab, slide that off. You can grab the bulb, twist it to the left, and it comes right out. This is a H11 bulb, and take the bulb, make sure you don't touch the glass part of the bulb, slide it in place, twist it to the right, take the connector, line that up, lock that in. I'll take the cover, and twist that to the right, lock it in. For the high beam, you're going to do the same thing. Disconnect the connector, twist to the left, and it slides right out. This is a HB3 bulb. You don't want to touch the glass. Slide it in place, twist, and we'll connect the connector, line that up. Lock that in place, take the cover, twist to the right, lock it in. The indicator bulb or the turn signal bulb, you just twist to the left to take the socket out. You can grab the bulb, slide that out. This is a 3157A bulb, it's amber. Slide that into the socket, slide the socket in place, twist it to the right. And now it's ready to go back in the vehicle. And we're going to connect the connectors, push that in, make sure it locks in place, and then push down on the lock. Slide the retainers in place, connect this connector, push down on that lock. Push those in place. So that's lined up, just push it in place. You can go underneath, reset that lock. Then we're going to reach in and pull down on the lock, lock that in place, and push the door in place. Take the push pin, get that started, lock it down. Take the bulb, I'm just going to put it on the magnet, get that lined up down below. Try to get that started the best you can, and using the extension. Snug that down. Take this bolt, get that started, and we'll tighten that down. And just snug it down. Take the cover, line it up, get all the push pins started, just lock them down. That's good. Well, I hope this video helped you out, and if you need parts for your vehicle, make sure you get those at 1aauto.com, and you can watch all those repair videos to help you with your installs. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe to our channel, ring the bell, turn on all notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.